Too many social media apps? Watch this video tutorial and learn how to delete your TikTok account permanently. Whether you use Android or iOS, the deletion process is the same. Go to your TikTok app and tap Profile on the lower right corner of the app. Then tap the burger menu in the upper right-hand corner and choose Settings and Privacy. Now, select Account and tap Deactivate or Delete Account. Here you will be provided with two options: Deactivate Account or Delete Account Permanently. If you choose Delete Account Permanently, TikTok will ask you to provide the reason. Choose one and tap Continue. In this section, TikTok will allow you to download your data. Select that and choose the data you want to download. Otherwise, click on the checkbox and tap Continue. Read the information about deleting your TikTok account and tap Continue. Enter your password to confirm the deletion process. Then tap Delete Account. Choose Delete one more time in the pop-up. And that's it. Your account will be deleted. You have 30 days to reactivate your TikTok account unless you change your mind. All you have to do is log in and tap Reactivate. Then all your data will be restored. Subscribe to our channel for more videos and tips.